Hi there. If you are thinking about buying a home, whether it's your first or your fifth, you need to know 7 key things before you sign that contract. These aren't just the basics, they're the things that most buyers forget to check, and they can cost you big time if you miss them. I'm Rachael Smith, a real estate agent up in Big Bear Lake, California, specializing in mountain homes, and in today's video, I'm going to help you make a smarter, more confident home purchase so that you don't end up with buyer's remorse. And this works for anywhere in the United States. So let's jump in. Number 1, check the neighborhood, not just the house. You can change almost anything about a house, but you cannot change the location. Drive through the neighborhood at different times of the day. What's the morning traffic like? What's the nighttime noise like? What are weekend activities? Get a feel for the area. Check for things like how well the neighbor maintains their homes, the number of short-term rentals nearby, traffic and parking situations, noise levels, especially on the weekends. A beautiful home in the wrong neighborhood is still the wrong home. Number 2, investigate HOA rules and fees. If the home is in a community with a homeowners association or an HOA, you need to read the fine print. Some HOAs have restrictions on parking, even if you own an RV or extra cars, renting out your home, which is important for investors, exterior changes like paint color or landscaping. Also check the HOA fees. Some start low but increase dramatically over time. The last thing you want is a hidden mortgage in the form of an ever-rising HOA fee. Number 3, look beyond the staging. Sellers stage homes to make them look perfect, but don't let the pretty furniture distract you. Focus on the structure, the layout, and the potential issues, such as any odd smells like mold, pets, or smoke, any cracks in the walls or ceilings, doors that don't close properly, could be foundation issues, water stains, that could mean leaks. Imagine the home empty. Will it still work for you? Number 4, understand the home's true cost. The sticker price is just the beginning. You need to also factor in property taxes. Some areas have huge tax differences. Insurance, homes in fire zones, flood zones, or high wind areas cost significantly more. Utilities, older homes may have inefficient systems. Maintenance costs, especially for pools, septic tanks, or acreage. A home that seems like a great deal could actually be a money pit if you don't do the math. Number 5, research the home's history. What do you want to know if the home had past problems? Here's how to dig deeper. Ask for past repair records. Was the roof patched 5 times? Look up permit history. Were renovations done legally? Check past listings. Has it been on and off the market a lot? Google the address. Was it ever in the news for something sketchy? Playing a little detective work now can save huge headaches later. And if you need help, I'm your girl. Number 6, get the right home inspection. Depending upon the area, you might need specialists for flood-prone regions, sewer line scope, old pipes can be costly to replace, termite or pest inspection, a few hidden termites can mean thousands in repairs, radon or gas leaks, some areas have naturally occurring radon. A thorough inspection isn't an expense, it's an investment. And then we have number 7, check resale potential. Even if you think this is your forever home, life always changes. Always ask yourself, is this home in a desirable area? Are there major developments planned nearby? This can be good or bad. Would this home appeal to a wide range of buyers? A home with great resale potential means that you won't be stuck if you ever need to move. There you have it, 7 crucial things to check before you buy a home. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about buying a home, no matter where you are, but especially in the mountains or unique locations, drop them in the comments or just reach out. I'd love to help. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.